So I'm at Ian's house, my friend. Okay, ignore this because I am going to dye her hair. Exciting. Time to experiment here.
I'm ready.
You ready? I need to put this somewhere.
No.
No, let's see it.
Is that recording?
Yes. It's recording.
Over there, got that thing.
This thing.
Yeah.
And this thing. And
Is that
ow.
enough? You think so? Yeah.
Hopefully. Your hair is like short. I'm gonna just like. Hold on. I'm gonna time lapse. What is going on? Is this Tibet, Nepal? Please don't discriminate me. I don't know. What is this? What is going on? What day is it today?
I don't know.
You don't know, Paul?
I don't know. Yeah.
You don't? No. You can't see it, but there's more over there and right here. So colorful, so many yellow. And this is the Albanian. Okay.
What's today? International Day or something?
Is it what?
National Day?
A what day?
National Day. Everyone's here.
Well, we just saw two right now.
I know. That's what
We
I'm
just saw two right now, but it's crazy. We got the yellow on the other side, and now this is the red. So loud. So many motorcycles. Food time. Food time. I want waffles, but they don't have waffles. So excited! Wonder Woman, can you? Ow, ow. Show off. This is how you know shit got real. I just cried because of the movie. I love it. I love it. This is how you know you're not ready and you didn't bring in a freaking umbrella.
I didn't think it was that serious.
We're all drenched. We're all drenched. Always have an umbrella in your bag.
Always stay indoors.
Or, there you go. Or always check the weather. Because I forgot.
I think I got deodorant in my eyes somehow. I don't know how. But it feels
We
like
did
deodorant.
not shower outside. It was the rain's fault. Mother Nature is super
My
moody.
wallet is wet now.
Hey guys. I know it's a very short vlog, but sorry not sorry. Oh hey. Panpan wants to say hi, and Stuart from the Minion movie, and I am so excited for Despicable Me 3. Like, if you're not excited, then I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know. But hey, keep on the lookout and keep smiling and enjoy life. Also, I am so sad that last Saturday I missed the mermaid parade. I missed the mermaid parade. Oh well. I'll probably might do something related to mermaids. Who knows? Who knows? Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout.